Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Welcome if you are a returning subscriber. Thank you so much guys for coming back to another video. Now guys, in this video, I'm sorry to say, but this is not a happy video guys. In this video, I'm actually reaching out to persons in and around the Nova Scotia area, especially persons who are living close to Dartmouth or in Halifax, right? Now this video is for you guys. And what is this video about? So guys, yesterday I shared a video on my channel where I pretty much was talking about my 3 years experience here in Canada. It was my 3-year anniversary, right? Now I have a very good friend who landed in Halifax last night. So today is his first official day in Canada. Now he came as an international student. He'll be going to Nova Scotia Community College located in Dartmouth, right? Now, his wife and daughter is still in Jamaica because they're still waiting on their approval from IRCC in terms of their open work permit, and their child will get a visitor's visa, ultimately a visitor's record. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video, guys, is because it's been very tough, right? Now, pretty much he doesn't even know where he's going to be living as yet, because the housing market in Nova Scotia is just crazy, right? He doesn't know anyone in Nova Scotia, so right now he's just living in an hotel for and the hotel costs, he booked 3 days 3 nights in the hotel, and it's costing upwards of like $700 and something, and it's one of the cheaper hotels. So this is not sustainable. So I wanted to do this video to reach out to anybody in and around that area. I know that many of you guys are watching this video right now. Now what am I asking for? I'm asking for anybody who may be possible to like probably provide transportation a little bit, just for him to be able to find an apartment. I know that he's going to his school orientation tomorrow. He has to be calling a cab, and also just any apartment viewing. So pretty much the same thing that I would have done for him if he was in Grand Prairie. I'm looking for somebody to do that for him on my behalf in Nova Scotia. Now we all need a little help sometime, guys. So we have all been through this journey, migrating to this country, and we know how overwhelming the process can be, especially when you have to leave your family behind, and just in hopes of making a better future for yourself and your family, you make decisions that are tough, that are necessary, looking on the end goal. But there's never been a person who has gotten to anywhere they have in their life without the help of somebody else. So if you're in Nova Scotia, if you know anywhere renting close to Dartmouth, if you have a space that you can rent in and around the Dartmouth area, and also if you can just reach out with any words of encouragement, support, strength, anything at all like that, it will be greatly welcome. Because I was speaking to him this morning, and it's obvious that they are very overwhelmed. They have already spent a lot of money in coming here, and the housing market in Nova Scotia is very tough at this present moment in time. So it's very hard for him to find somewhere to live permanently, as he's been constantly looking for an apartment and stuff like that. But he had to fly into the country last night because school starts tomorrow. So if you're watching this video, guys, and you're in Halifax, you're in Dartmouth, and you have a vehicle, and you can just provide any assistance possible in terms of providing transportation to a couple places. He doesn't even have a phone as yet. He doesn't know where to go to get a phone. He doesn't know to like get his SIN number. He doesn't know where to go. So if you can provide any form of assistance in terms of taking him to get his SIN number, get a phone plan, and just ultimately any assistance would be greatly appreciated. As I said, he's there by himself right now. He doesn't know anyone in Nova Scotia. He has never been to Canada before. He's like legit just freaking out right now. So if you are watching this video and you're in Nova Scotia, on my behalf, reach out, comment underneath the video, shoot me a message on Instagram. You guys know how to find me. I'll make a link, make a connection, and you guys can probably make his journey a little bit better. As I said, we all came here watching this video. We are all here as immigrants, and we know how tough it can be. The transition can be overwhelming. It can be very, very, very heart-wrenching sometimes, especially when you are here by yourself and you had to leave your family to get here. Yeah, guys, so yeah, do that for me. If you're watching this video, guys, please reach out. It'll be greatly appreciated. All right, thank you guys so much.
Yes, them are finally here, brother. Zine, finally here. As you can see me up on the waterfront. I take a walk, look across from the place. Up on Halifax side. As you can see over this now. Over this side there. See, they are walk along the waterfront, brother. Yeah, man, so you don't know all the thing, but you don't know me just land and I'm me alone there. You see it. I don't know nobody on this side, but I try to make it work same way, right? So anybody where you know in Halifax, brother, you can just tell them so you have to link up. They're close by them, they're in the city. So down at the downtown area, so yeah, brother. Place nice and cool though. So them are anybody where you know in Halifax area, I can tell them link up, brother.